Verizon eSIM transfers can still fail despite improvements. Common reasons include network synchronization issues, where the eSIM struggles to connect properly with Verizon's network. Another cause is security protocol incompatibilities between older devices and newer eSIM standards. Device compatibility problems also occur when your phone doesn't fully support the transfer process, particularly with older iOS versions or devices not certified under GSMA standards. These failures manifest as error codes like SIM transfer not allowed or activation failed. An eSIM is a digital SIM card embedded in your phone, eliminating the need for physical cards. The transfer process involves downloading your eSIM profile to a new device using a QR code, which contains your ICCID and authentication keys. The eSIM lifecycle includes four essential stages: provisioning for initial setup, activation to link to the network, transfer to move profiles between devices, and deletion to remove from the old device. Understanding these steps is crucial for a smooth transfer. Verizon has made significant strides in fixing eSIM transfer issues that were prominent in 2022 to 2024. Software updates and infrastructure improvements have reduced failure rates from over 30% in early 2023 to below 5% in 2026. Verizon's app and web portal now support seamless transfers using QR codes and automated scans. They've also introduced a transfer assurance feature in the My Verizon app to verify compatibility and provide instant rollbacks if a failure occurs. If your Verizon eSIM transfer fails, here are the common troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, ensure your device software is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with Verizon's eSIM transfer process. Check for and install any available updates in your device's settings. Next, try rescanning the QR code provided by Verizon. Make sure it's properly aligned and well lit. Avoid glare or shadows that might interfere with the camera's ability to read the code accurately. Then restart both the old and new devices. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh the connection to Verizon's network, often resolving transfer issues. If the problem persists, use Verizon's real-time diagnostics in the My Verizon app. Alternatively, contact their customer support chatbots, which can provide instant troubleshooting within minutes. For persistent issues, consider a manual profile reinstall as outlined in Verizon's guides, or seek direct assistance from Verizon technical support to resolve complex transfer problems. Let's examine recent legal and enterprise examples that illustrate the impact of Verizon eSIM transfer issues and how they were addressed. In 2023, a class action lawsuit was filed by Verizon customers who experienced widespread eSIM transfer for failures during the iPhone 14 rollout. Over 100,000 users were affected, experiencing lost cellular service for days, which impacted their work and emergency communications. Verizon settled the case for $50 million in 2025, providing free transfer support and compensation to affected customers. An enterprise case study from 2024 involved a Fortune 500 company migrating 10,000 employees to Verizon eSIMs. They initially faced a 15% failure rate due to outdated corporate devices. Verizon stepped in with on-site technical support and firmware updates, achieving a 98% success rate in the transfers. These examples highlight the importance of user education on eSIM processes, conducting pre-transfer audits of devices, and maintaining robust technical support systems to prevent and resolve transfer failures. eSIM adoption is growing rapidly worldwide, primarily driven by the phasing out of physical SIM cards in new devices. As manufacturers like Apple and Samsung eliminate physical SIM slots, more users are turning to eSIM technology for its convenience and flexibility. One major trend is the integration of AI-driven diagnostics in carrier apps. These systems analyze user data patterns to predict potential transfer failures before they occur, allowing proactive fixes and reducing downtime. Verizon plans to deploy such AI features by 2027. The rollout of 6G networks will revolutionize eSIM transfers by providing ultra-low latency and enhanced security. Transfers will happen nearly instantly, with stronger encryption protecting against cyber threats like SIM swapping attacks. Seamless transfers between different carriers are becoming a reality, Regulatory changes and new protocols will allow users to switch providers without losing service, with Verizon piloting this feature for moves to competitors like AT&T. eSIM technology is expanding into Internet of Things devices, from smartwatches to industrial sensors. This minimizes transfer disruptions in connected ecosystems, with Verizon forecasting 50% of IoT activations via eSIM by 2030. Overall, expect enhanced reliability through standardized global protocols. By 2028, transfer success rates could reach 90%, making eSIM transfers as dependable as traditional SIM swaps while opening new possibilities for digital connectivity. Experts acknowledge Verizon's progress in improving eSIM transfer reliability. Statistics from Verizon's 2025 annual report show a 95% eSIM transfer success rate, up significantly from previous years, and a 60% drop in customer complaints. However, experts emphasize the need for universal device standards to ensure compatibility across all devices. They also stress staying vigilant against firmware lags that can cause issues. Looking at the key statistics, Verizon's 2025 annual report highlights impressive improvements in eSIM transfer reliability. The success rate now stands at 95%, with customer complaints dropping by 60% year over year. For the future outlook, global eSIM transfers are expected to reach 10 billion by 2030. This growth underscores the importance of continued improvements in transfer technology and reliability. To minimize the risk of eSIM transfer failures, always ensure your device is compatible and running the latest software. Back up your data before initiating the transfer. Follow Verizon's instructions carefully during the transfer process. Use the Transfer Assurance feature in the My Verizon app. If you encounter issues, seek immediate assistance from Verizon support to avoid prolonged downtime and potential complications. Always check that your device supports Verizon's eSIM transfer process and is updated to the latest firmware. Outdated software can cause synchronization issues with the network. Before starting the transfer, create a backup of your important data to prevent loss in case of any issues during the process. Carefully follow the step-by-step instructions provided by Verizon through their app or website to ensure a smooth transfer. Activate the Transfer Assurance feature in the My Verizon app, which verifies compatibility and provides instant rollbacks if needed. If you encounter any problems, contact Verizon support right away for real-time diagnostics and assistance to minimize downtime.